A passphrase is a series of random words strung together. Instead of a single word, use a passphrase composed of random words, numbers, and symbols. For example, Blue Dollar Mountain *123. This is both strong and memorable. Use acronyms. Take a sentence that's meaningful to you and use the first letter of each word. Add numbers and symbols for extra security. For example, my favorite movie is Inception. Watched it in 2010 becomes MFMIOE. Even if someone gets your password, two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Regularly update passwords. Change your passwords every few months, especially for important accounts like email and banking, and never reuse old passwords because if one account gets compromised, it puts all your other accounts at risk. Think of passwords like keys to your home. You wouldn't use the same key for your front door, car, and office. Similarly, each online account should have a distinct password. Make sure each account has a unique password.